Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to call friends on Snapchat. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Google Play Store or the App Store and download the Snapchat application. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Snapchat if you haven't already done that. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. In the bottom right corner, we have Spotlight, where you can check out some videos. We have Stories, where you can go and check out stories from your friends. We have the Camera, where you can go and check out your camera. And in the bottom left corner, we have your location and your chat. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and call friends on Snapchat. So calling friends on Snapchat is quite simple, and here's a step-by-step guide. First of all, open Snapchat. Launch the Snapchat app on your device as I already told you. Go to Chats, tap the chat icon, speech bubble, at the bottom of the screen to open your chat list. After you have done that, select a friend, so simply go and select a friend. Then tap on the name of the friend you want to call. And then you just need to go and initiate a call. For a voice call, tap on the phone icon at the top of the chat screen. For a video call, tap the video camera icon at the top of the chat screen. Both you and your friend need to have the latest version of Snapchat to use these features. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it would be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I already told you, I hope that you enjoyed the video, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next one. Until then, bye guys.